Hello, how to make banana milk. Try to take a milk packet and banana, just grind it. Take a sugar, take one banana, and take one milk packet. You should have to freeze it for 5 to 6 hours. Then cut into the small pieces. There you see. That I'm going to break this iced milk. Then I'm adding it. It's so cool. Then I'm grinding it well. After that, I'm taking one cup. It's ready to serve now. It's so easy to do. Then I'm taking the Horlicks because it's so good. After that, I'm adding one walnut over there, getting into the 2 small pieces. There it goes. Banana milk, you can call it as a banana smoothie. Or you can even call as a milkshake of banana or something. Lot of names, but this is the